Welcome to Hoover Fitness's Wine and Yoga. I'm Sarah Hoover, and today we'll be pairing this local sweet white wine, which is called Bliss, on this blissful day with my most favorite yoga pose, which is the headstand. So we'll take a little sip of wine and we'll get started. Now, in order to do this pose, you'll start with your hands on the mat and your head on the mat. You want to make sure that your elbows are bent, and you'll place your knees on your elbows. Your feet are still on the ground. Then slowly lift your feet up off the ground. Once you can get here, you'll straighten your legs up, slow and controlled, and holding it here, taking a few breaths. Slowly bringing your legs back down, setting your knees on the mat. We'll come back into child's pose, reaching your arms out as far as you can in front. As you inhale, come up onto your knees. Next, inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, lowering your arm, reaching to the side. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, back up. Exhale, your arms come to your side, reaching for your heels. Let your head fall back. Inhale as your arms come up. Exhale as you come down to child's pose. Sitting back up onto your knees in mountain. Your hands come to your legs. Pulling your shoulders down and sitting as tall as you can. One more inhale and exhale. We'll take one more sip of wine because that was such a blissful pose. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.